Hello everyone, welcome to the Gluonix Designer tutorial videos. I developed Gluonix Designer so it will be easier for everyone to design graphical user interfaces in Python. This tool is free to use and can be used in commercial applications as it's licensed under PST. I'm gonna be making 3 videos. This one for getting started, second video for designing environment, and the third video for programming. Okay, let's get started with Gluonix Designer. As you can see on my screen, this is the page for GitHub repository for Gluonix Designer, and from here you can download the repo, and I will also add the link to description of this video. The Gluonix Designer has a basic requirements. It needs a regular Python installation with Tkinter, requests, pillow, and SQL3. Mostly on Windows, Tkinter and SQL3 is already installed, and we just need to pip install requests and pillow. This whole tool is built upon Tkinter, and there's no library required that requires a commercial license. Requests and pillow is only required to use while loading images in the widgets, but to run the tool you need these libraries pre-installed. Let's get back to the main repository. So currently we are at version 1.8. I keep regular updates, but if somebody have any issues going so far, they can just update any issues and I'll do my best to correct it. You can always check the log file, what's been changed in each version, and once we load the Gluonix Designer, it will tell you what version it's running right now in your PC. Let's clone the repo and start from there. So you can just go to code and download zip, or you can get clone from your command or bash. I'm gonna close the browser now and let's set to download folder. So as you can see in my download folder, there's a Gluonix Designer, so I'm going to extract it to a new folder, and in there I have a designer, and this is the help file which has all the widgets, its configurations, and the required functions. I recommend everyone to convert this help file from doc to PDF for easier access. So all you gotta do is file, save as, browse, and save as PDF. For now, I'm gonna close these files. So I'm gonna move this file to my designer folder because that's the only thing I require. But if you want, you can keep the examples folder. There's just a couple of examples on how to use the designer. Okay, let's go to our designer folder. I'm gonna move it back and delete this. I already have all the libraries installed. So to run the designer, just double click the designer.py and the software will start. So tool does not have anything that makes it very complicated to use. So on the bottom left, you can see it tells you what version you are running in your computer, and you can create a new project or open an old project. So we'll create a new project, and I'm gonna browse in the download folder. I'm gonna name it demo and I'll create a folder for my design, and I can name this project. Let's name it demo2. Click OK. Now here you need to configure the initial design. Title of the window, what color of background do you need? We'll go with white. And do you want your alignment in pixels or in percentage? You can change this for each widget inside, but if you want for overall application, you can do that too. So let's go for percentage. For percentage, I need to change these also into percentage: width, height, left and top. So I'll just go 40%, 40%, and from left 50, top 50. So it will create a window for design somewhere right here. I can define if I want a full screen window. Do I want the window to resize? Is it persistent so nobody can close it? Do you want a menu bar on the top? Do you want to keep an error log? So error log will, if any error occurs in the Gluonix Designer, it will create a log folder and add all the errors to that. You can also keep a version and revision for your software in here, and you can always define the icon for your own software. So the icon will be shown here and for the bottom toolbar. So this is for getting started. So now let's go to the second video and see how to use the designing environment.